So hi everyone, look at this question. First of all, read the question carefully. In the given circuit, calculate the power consumed in watts in the resistor of 2 ohm. Okay. Now draw the circuit like this. 6-volt battery, 1 ohm, 2 ohm. So how much power is consumed by a 2 ohm resistor? Actually, this is resistor. Actually, this is load. These are loads. Okay. So current I is going to produce in series. What is the equivalent resistance? P ohm. So can you find the value of current? 6 volt. Find the value of I. That will be 6 by 3. That is 2 ampere. Now same current will be here. So power consumed in 2 ohm resistor will be I square R. Okay. That is 8 watt. Clear? If they are asking in 1 ohm, power consumed 1 ohm, like this, you should solve. I square R. How much current is going to pass? 2 ampere. And what is the resistance? 1 ohm, that is 4 watt. Okay. If you ask me, sir, what is the power consumption 3 ohm? That will be I square R. I is 2 and R is 3. That is 12. Now, did you observe one thing like in series, power will be what? In 2 ohm, 8 watt. In 4 ohm, 4 watt. In equivalent resistance, 3 ohm, power is 12 watt. So, equivalent power in series will be power consumption in the equivalent resistance will be the sum of individual power. Okay. I hope this doubt is clear. Thank you. Thanks a lot.